Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you trying to call the customer service on eBay? In this case, you have to go through a lot of steps before you can get to them. Let's discover them in this video. So, first, make sure that you are on eBay and click on here on the top menu, which is the top of the page, not this one, but this one, which is basically in here. Click on Help and Contact. Once you get to this page, all you need to do is to actually search for your problem first. Because there is a lot of articles from eBay customer service that are giving solutions and solving problems for people. So try to search for it before you get to contact a customer service, because it can take a lot of time for them to get back to you. Meanwhile, you could have a solution in here very fast. And you could get to check our channel, of course, for your problem to have the solution for it if we have already covered that problem. So make sure to do that. Now, as you can see right here, when you search and you don't find any solution, what you will have to do is to go all the way down below right here. So, as you can see, get the help you need from our automated assistant or contact an agent. This will help you to get in contact with a real agent instead of reading random articles that may not be solving your problem. So this is something that you could take in consideration in case you were trying to contact the support team or the customer service. So click on contact us, and then you will have to go through a quick procedure, choose what problem you have in which domain, and then fulfill a formula, and then they will be able to help you right away. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys, and see you in the next tutorial.